Hey everyone, I'm Laurel Morris, and welcome to the first episode of Powerlines. On this show, we're checking in on interesting headlines in energy. First, a CNN article titled, "Supreme Court Allows Biden Administration to Continue Counting the Cost of Planet Warming Emissions for Now." Republican-led states attempted to argue to this court against a metric the federal government used to calculate the social cost of climate change, or carbon emission regulation. The court did not issue any dissent or further explanation for the order that allows the administration to continue using the metric. So, while for now social costs of climate change will continue to be calculated, this might not be the last time we hear about it or the associated legal challenges. Next up, closer to home for us Texans, is a New York Times article detailing how Shell, the oil giant, will sell renewable energy to Texans. I'm sure you've heard of Shell before in regards to its oil business, but for the first time, it's bringing renewable energy resources to the United States in an effort to reach self-imposed net zero goals. Shell chose Texas because of its competitive energy markets and abundance of existing renewable energy infrastructure. What does this mean for the oil industry as a whole? Let's see if other oil companies will follow into renewable electricity markets. Finally, in the Pacific Northwest, a factory wants to reopen making green aluminum. Now it just needs clean energy to actually make it green aluminum. This Washington Post article tells the story of the efforts by laid-off aluminum plant workers in Washington to revamp and reopen the factory to create low-carbon materials with low-carbon manufacturing. This has support from local politicians, including the governor, the union, private equity, and environmental groups. However, the Bonneville Power Administration, BPA, which manages the various dams that power much of the Pacific Northwest, said there's not enough capacity to reliably power the aluminum plant with hydroelectric power. While a substantial increase in clean aluminum production would be a boon for American manufacturing, BPA has obligations to its existing power purchase agreements to utilities in service territories it serves. The project therefore is stalled until a reliable, clean energy power purchase agreement can be negotiated. Those are the headlines we have for this episode. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Zpryme's YouTube channel for more energy news and energy research insights. Bye.